Greek, there's a word for time that's called Kyros. It means that time stops and there's an opportunity for something new to be born. This moment is radically new.
Bethany, you are truly a gift from God. I will cherish you always, never take you for granted. I will lead you and guide you where Christ leads me. I will lead by example with patience and with understanding. This is my solemn pledge and undying love for you.
You make me happier than I ever could imagine. No matter what life brings our way, I promise to always love you and be faithful to you for as long as we both shall live. You are now bone of my bone and flesh of my flesh, and in sight of God we are now known.
It's our pleasure to say you're husband and wife. Would you seal your promises with a kiss?
I've known this dude for like years now. Like I literally watched you grow up and like become an awesome person, so that's awesome. And to see you guys like blossom into this beautiful young couple, it's so pretty.
Let your love be stronger than your hate or anger. Believe the best rather than the worst. The person you choose to marry is deserving of your courtesies and kindness you bestow on your friends.
You were right in front of me, the answer.